Hey everyone, here's an example what Rails and Hotwire is capable of when it comes to generating charts. So here we have like a simple generator chart with like a D3 JavaScript library, which is a powerful library for generating complicated charts. It's based on creating SVG charts, so it's really powerful, customizable, anything can be done. So I name this example. Anyway, here's a really simple thing, but the important thing is how we can stream updates to this chart. So I run a job, and the job is pretty much streaming new data to the chart. So how does this work behind the scenes? So initial chart is being generated with just some cell data. This cell data is just having a date and a value, and we just render a partial for each one of those with those data entries. Stimulus controller is then picking up these values and just pretty much telling the D3 library to generate the chart. And so yeah, most of the code here is just copied from a YouTube video, so it's nothing extraordinarily complicated. Just like I'm not going into details about how it works, but the point is data entries are taken from like a div that includes the data values that then they are applied to the chart by stimulus, and the data is being streamed by TurboStream as the controller we are launching. So here we have like basically we have one job that will trigger broadcast for the job. So basically we will just generate a random cell data entry for the given date and a random value, and we are then broadcasting this change with the same partial, which is just the data entry. So pretty much we are just entering more and more divs into via Hotwire TurboStream into this view. So here it is. We have a TurboStream for cell, which is initializing the socket connection, and the job is then just updating the ID of cell chart, which is just a div with more data. So this in action. If I do an inspect, you can see like more and more values are popping into the DOM. Stimulus is picking up the changes and rendering D3 chart with the updates, which is pretty cool. And even if I reload the page, the entries are still popping in. So like if I reload the data that was already there, the stream is still continuing. So what I mean by that, it's the person in the dashboard could freely do changes in the form. So yeah, we'll just insert here like a dummy input. Hello. So you can see it's not reloading a page, it's just streaming the updates. So no workflow is lost during this. So yeah, pretty cool what Hotwire can do.